Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install PC version Dolphin Emulator in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and run Dolphin Emulator in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator. So Dolphin Emulator basically is a application, or we can say a software, is an emulator. So in that emulator we can play a lot of games, the different console games. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and run the PC version of Dolphin Emulator in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So while using this software, you can play a lot of games, different types of console of a lot of games. So if you want to play any console game with the PC or Dolphin Emulator in your Android, so you have to follow this procedure. First of all, you have to download the Exagear Windows Emulator application. The downloading in the description, and there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. In that videos, I have shown how you can install any PC software in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel you can check out. I have made on different topics that how you can install MS. Microsoft Office, Photoshop, and many other PC softwares I've installed in an Exagear Windows Emulator application in Android phone, the PC softwares. So in if first of all you have to download this Exagear Windows Emulator application, and the downloading and installing tutorial video on my YouTube channel you can check out. And second thing, you have to download some files. The files are the Visual C plus the DirectX, Exagear, and graphic pack. All the files are the link in the description. You can check out the download from there. And you have to download the Dolphin exe file. As you can see, this is the download exe file. All the links are in the description. I have provided the Telegram channel link. From there you will get the direct download link. You can check out there. So if you want to install, let me just show you how you can do that. First of all, you have to open the Exagear Windows Emulator application. You have to click on these three lines. You have to click on the manage containers. You have to click on three dots, and you have to click on the run explorer as usual. So if you are using this Windows Emulator application, you will know how to use it. And if you are new, you can check out my video, one of the video on tutorial I've shown in that how you can use Exagear Windows Emulator application in Android. So let me just minimize the taskbar, and as you can see, this is the file manager of the Exagear Windows Emulator application. I forgot to mention that if you want to access any file and if you want to install any software in your Exagear Windows Emulator application, you have to keep that file in the download folder of your Android phone. If you kept that file in the download folder, you can access over here. So I have created a folder with the name of Dolphin. So let me just open it. So this is all the files I have downloaded and created a folder Dolphin in my Android folder so that I can access it over here. So as you can see, all these files. So first of all, I'm going to show you what you have to install, the things you have to install in your Exagear to run Dolphin Emulator. So there are three things you have to install: the DirectX, Exagear graphics patch, and the Visual C. So this is the Visual C software I have already installed, just showing to what you have to do before you install any Dolphin Emulator application in your Android phone. So this is the Microsoft Visual C++ 2007. I have already installed it, so let me just close it. You have to install it. And second thing, you have to install the Exagear and graphics path, all the downloading in the description. You can check out there and download from there. Skipping all the installation of this softwares because I have already I've already installed it, and I've already shown in my previous video. So this is the DirectX setup. You can after installing the Visual C plus and the Exagear graphics path, you can install the DirectX from here. So after installing all the necessary things which I have mentioned, now you have to open the dolphinx.txt, which I have provided the downloading in the description. You have to click on the open. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Dolphin 4.0 emulator has successfully opened in my Android phone. And if you want to play any game, let me just show you what you have to do. So at first you have to get into the graphics. And in the backend you have to select OpenGL. As you can see in the screen, I have selected the OpenGL, Let me just click to close, and here in the emulation you have to get into the frame skipping. You have to get into frame skipping and you have to set it on the 9. So this is the all the things you have to install, and this is all the settings you have to do in the Dolphin emulation. After this you have to download any game ROM. So you can just get into the internet and you can search download game for the Dolphin, and whichever game you like you can download and extract it, and make sure to keep it in the download folder only to access over here. Now you have to click on the open. I have downloaded a game. I also don't know about that game, just downloaded to test to show you it, the Dolphin emulator is perfectly working. For this video is to just for the tutorial how you can install Dolphin emulation in your Android. I'm not going to show any game. If you want me to make videos on how you can play games in the Dolphin emulator, let me know in the comments. I make a lot of videos on that. So this is the Legends of Zelda. I have the game downloaded. Let me just click on the open. So as you can see, the successful game has been opening over here. It will going to take some time, you have to wait. So as you can see in the screen, the game is opening up here, and as I mentioned earlier, if you want to play any game, you have to go to the internet and you have to search download game for the download Dolphin emulator. You will get a lot of game options, and if you want to play that game, just download it and extract it, and make sure to keep it in the download folder of your Android internal storage, and you can directly open it from here. And as you can see, just now I've opened the game and it will loading over here. The game is open and it's loading up here over here. So as you can see in the screen, it will saying you will need the classic controller. So at this moment I have not inserted any controller, or not yet enable or install any controller in the Exagear. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to play games and if you want me to make videos on how you can play games in the Dolphin emulator, let me know. I will make a detailed tutorial video on how you can get controller, consoles, and how you can play a fully working game and how you can enjoy all the games in the Dolphin emulator. I will make a separate video on it. So as you can see in the screen, the game is starting over here. So this video is only to show you how you can install Dolphin emulator in your Android, and as you can see in the screen, the game is started over here. So as you can see in the screen, the Dolphin emulator is perfectly working and the game is started over here. I'm not going to show you all the game, how game is starting up, and how his game is playable and how game is working. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Dolphin emulator perfectly working, the PC version of Dolphin emulator perfectly working in Android phone with using Exagear Windows emulator application. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.